how honeykomb brazy be when eating.
Yeah, I'm telling y'all about biscuit and eggs and shit. Yeah, when that nigga got stabbed, I don't care how gangster you is in prison, a nigga still gonna try it. About them biscuit and eggs and shit. So, I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all nigga that story real quick.